Okay, today I'm going to work out the remainder of the part before the griddable, so I believe it's 9 through 13. I'm not sure. I know we left off on 9, but I'm going to go all the way through. Yes, number 13. Okay, number 9. A truck enters a stretch of road that drops 4 meters in elevation for every 100 meters along the length. I'm circling that because those are numbers. The road is 1,000 meters in elevation where the truck entered. The truck is traveling at 16 miles per second. Meters per second. What is the elevation of the road in meters at the point where the truck passes? They all start with 1,300. Sorry, I underlined the question. Because that's where the truck enters, and we're not talking just about a little road down. We're not talking about a straight elevation. We're talking about going down a mountain. So that's why this one is just not being multiplied by 16t. We can't use that because that would be if it was a straight road, but it's not a straight road. We're actually going down. So the equation needs to actually be 1,300 minus, because we're going down a mountain, 4 meters in elevation for every 100 meters along the length of the road times 16t. When you multiply these together, you actually get 0.64t. So the correct answer for this one is going to be B. If it was a straight road, it would just be that, but since we're going down a mountain, you have to multiply it by how much it's actually dropping. Number 10. If f is x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 3 for all the values of x, what is the value of f of negative 3? Sorry. So what I'm trying to figure out here is what number can I put in for x in order to make this negative 3? What number minus 1 equals negative 3? Well, if you add 1 to both sides, x is equal to negative 2. So that's going to be the actual number that we're plugging in for x into the solution here. So I have f of negative 3 is equal to 2 times negative 2 plus 3. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 3, which is equal to negative 1. So f of negative 3 is equal to negative 1. The correct answer is D. Number 11. Which of the following is equivalent to s minus t times s divided by t? So this is a basic distributive problem right here. So I'm going to distribute this into the s. So I have s squared over t. Keep the minus sign. I'm going to distribute the t in there. Same thing again. We have ts, these two multiplied with t on the bottom. I can cancel these two t's out because they equal 1. So my solution is going to be s to the second power over t minus s. The correct answer is C. And moving on to number 12. In the polynomial px defined above, k is a constant. If p of x is divisible by x, what is the value of k? I'm going to go ahead and use this polynomial right here and distribute the 3 out. So 3x squared, distribute this 3, plus 30x, distribute the 3, plus 15, minus, distribute the 5, 5x, distribute the 5, plus 5k, because a negative times a negative is going to equal positive. Okay, I'm going to combine like terms here. I have 3x squared. The 30x and the negative 5x is going to be plus 25x. I have a 5k here that's by itself, and then I have the plus 15. I know this has to be a constant, which means a number, and what I'm trying to do is figure out what number can I put in for k that will make this equal to a remainder of 0. So I'm going to go ahead and solve this right here. I'm going to bring 15 over to the other side. Negative 15, divide by 5, divide by 5. I'm trying to find the constant, and the constant is negative 3. So the correct answer, number 12, is negative 3. And the last one, number 13, in the xy plane, if the parabola with the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants, which means a number, passing through the point negative 1, positive 1, which of the following must be true? Parabola makes this shape. This is the equation that goes with this shape here, and this is the point on the line. So I'm going to use that equation. I already know what x and y are. I'm given negative 1, 1. Negative 1 is x, and this is y. I'm going to plug these into the equation below. Y is positive 1. I'm going to leave a. I don't know what that is. X is negative 1 squared plus b times negative 1 plus c. That's all I can really fix there. I'm not given any other numbers, and all I'm trying to do is come up with the equation. Well, I know that negative 1 squared is just going to be a positive 1, so that kind of disappears. B times negative 1 is going to be a negative b, so it becomes a minus b, and then the c remains. So I'm looking for which equation has this right here, and it would be D. D is the correct answer.